In this video, I'll show you how to build a simple wine bottle bird feeder. Let's get right to it. I'll start with an empty wine bottle, a 1" by 5" spruce board, and a few pieces of 1 by 1 scrap trim. After using the wine bottle to measure out the correct length, I'll cut the board into the necessary pieces, and then sand down all the ends. 2 brackets will be used to support the bottle in place. For the lower bracket, I'll need to cut a hole the size of the wine bottle neck, so I'll select a Forstner drill bit that's approximately the same diameter. The upper rim of this hole can be beveled to accommodate the wine bottle so it sits snugly in place. I'll do this using a rasp and some sandpaper. For the upper bracket, I'll trace out the base of the bottle and then use the handsaw to cut a bunch of slices side by side. This will allow me to remove this wood material more easily. I'll use the rasp to finish up and fine-tune the curved edge. For a nicer clean look, I'll cut these corners at a 45-degree angle and smooth over the edges. I want the roof to be slightly angling forwards, so any rain will run right off. After measuring it with a pencil, I'll carefully cut it with the saw first, and then even it out afterwards. That's a perfect fit. The trim pieces will form the seed tray at the bottom, so I'll cut them out to length. With all the pieces ready to go, I can begin assembly. Starting with the base, I'll pre-drill the holes and then countersink them with a Phillips drill bit. Some added glue will ensure they're secure. The backboard will be attached from both the bottom and the backside. At this stage, I need to figure out how high the bottle should be from the base tray. To do this, I'll fill the bottle and then test it by slowly raising it from the bottom. If the bottle is too low, not enough seed will flow out. If it is too high, too much seed will be dispensed. Once I find the right height, I'll mark it with the pencil and then secure it from behind. With the bottle in place, I can see where to attach the upper bracket. In order to refill the bottle when needed, I've designed it so that the roof will open up towards the back using a single hinge. I'll carefully attach the hinge using small screws. These back screws need pre-drilled holes and must be screwed in on a downward angle to accommodate the angled roof. With the main structure complete, I can finish it off with some wood stain and a little varnish on the top. Okay, time to insert the bottle and get this feeder up on my feeder stand. Well folks, I hope you've enjoyed the video and take away some ideas for your own projects. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe.